We'll guide you through how to fix lag in BlueStacks 5. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
The first method is to change the priority of BlueStacks in Task Manager. Just go to your search bar and search for Task Manager. And just open the Task Manager from the recommendation. Alternatively, you can just use keyboard shortcut, which is Ctrl, Shift and Escape. And after you are in the Task Manager, locate BlueStacks, or if you can't find BlueStacks in the list, just go to the search bar and search for BlueStacks. Just right click on it and click on Go to Details. This will take you to the Details tab where you will see the process called SD Player EXE, and it will be selected by default. Now right click on that process like so and go to Set Priority. And in Set Priority, make sure above normal or high is set, and do not select real time because that can cause system instability. Setting the priority above normal or high simply tells the window to give BlueStacks more processing attention compared to other application. Now let's move on to second fix, which is setting BlueStacks to use your high performance graphics settings. In the search bar, just search for graphics settings and choose it from the recommendation like so. And once you are in the graphics settings, just scroll down to app list and locate the BlueStacks. And once you locate BlueStacks, just click on drop down, and under GPU preference, just click on drop down once again and select high performance. And as you can see, mine was selected by default. And this ensures BlueStack uses your dedicated GPU instead of running on power saving mode, which can cause lag and poor performance. Now let's move on to the third fix, which involves adjusting the performance settings inside the BlueStacks itself. First, open BlueStack on your computer like so and click on Settings on your bottom right. Here you'll see options for CPU allocation and memory allocation. To configure CPU allocation properly, you should first check how many CPU cores your computer has. You can do this by opening your Task Manager again like so and just go to Performance tab, and you will see your cores right here, which in my case I have 4 cores. Now that you have noted that, just go to your BlueStacks once again and click on the drop down. In my case it was 4 cores. Make sure to only use half of the cores. Now let's move on to memory allocation, which refers to your RAM. To see how much RAM your computer actually has, just type about your PC and choose it from the recommendation, and you'll see that my RAM is 8 GB, so I'll just go to the BlueStacks once again. In my case, I had 8 GB, but I should only use about half of the memory allocation, which is 4. Also make sure the performance mode is selected to high performance like so. Now make sure to save the changes, and after saving the changes, you must restart your computer. After restarting, just go to your display settings. If you are still experiencing lag, try lowering the resolution to around 1280 into 720 or something similar, which can reduce the graphical load and improve performance. The quality is slightly lower, but the emulator should run much smoother. The DPI setting can usually stay around 240, which works well for most of the system. After you have made all of these changes, just save your changes like so, and you must restart your device to apply these changes. And after following these steps, BlueStacks should run much smoother with less lag, especially when launching game or playing games.